Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Drednaw from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. First up, I'm going to draw the headpiece in front of his head with a diagonal line right there. Turn it downwards, and I'm gonna make a diagonal turn up and to the left, and we're gonna make an even line, so we're not gonna draw straight line for the headpiece. And I'm gonna make a turn diagonal to the right at this point and up to the tip above, and diagonal turn back down to the right. On the left side above the headpiece, I'm gonna draw an even line at that point, and at this point right here, all the way to the tip. At this point, I'm gonna draw a circular shape and a curved line at the right corner inside of that. Below the headpiece, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the front of his face, downwards, a zigzag line to the right, and at the ending point on the right, I'm gonna draw an oval shape. And from this point, I'm gonna draw another set of zigzag line for the lower part of the mouth. And a triangle shape at this corner. Turn it downwards. Semicircular turn at the corner. Curved line across. Right there. Semicircular turn at the jaw. Upwards towards the oval shape. Now for his eye, I'm gonna go back to this point at the side of the headpiece and draw a line in, diagonal turn upwards to the right, semicircular turn downwards, semicircular turn to the left, and back up at that corner. At this point, I'm gonna draw a circular shape and another circular shape slightly at the outer point. At the back of the headpiece, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, semicircular turn at that corner, back to the side of the jaw. And behind the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point and upwards to the top point right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape again at this point to the side of the jaw at the lower point right there, and another one at this point. I'm gonna leave a gap at that corner right there and continue the line up and stop there for the time being. Now for the shell on his back, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line in this corner, semicircular turn, a curved line sideways, a curved line diagonally down from that point, and turn it sideways to the back. And at this corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line down, sideways, back up, diagonal turn to the left, and going back to this point of the shell, I'm gonna make a turn upwards, sideways, semicircular turn at that corner, back down. I'm gonna trace the same line at this point, and at the top I'm gonna extend it to the back and up, turn it diagonally up and to the back, turn it downwards, diagonal turn slightly to the left, diagonal turn back slightly to the right and downwards. I'm gonna make a turn to the right at that point, a line out from this point, diagonal turn downwards, and we're gonna take that line all the way to the back with some series of curved line all the way to that point. At this point, I'm gonna draw a line up, turn it sideways, diagonal turn up and sideways. At this point, the curved line up, turn it upwards, sideways to the right, an even line, and we're gonna do a similar line again at this point. Back to the front portion right there. At this point, I'm going to draw a line down, turn it sideways at the low point and the top point right there. A similar line downwards again. At this lower point, a diagonal turn up and to the right, turn it back up to the upper point right there. And from this corner, a curved line in, a curved line out from the lower point all the way to the nail, and at the nail I'm gonna draw a curved line down, sideways at the bottom, turn it back up, and semicircular turn back to that point. Copy the same shape of the nails for the other ones, and along the base of the foot I'm gonna draw a curved line in between the nails, and at the back here extend it to the back, turn it upwards and diagonal curved line to the top point, semicircular turn at that corner and another curved line at this point. Along the leg I'm gonna draw a few circular shape right there, another one at the lower point right here, and for the other leg I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point for the lower point of the body, curved line down from this point, and we're gonna do a similar shape of the leg for the other front leg. Behind the front leg on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the back. And I'm gonna draw a circular shape from this point downwards and slightly to the right. Turn it downwards with a curved line, sideways to the back. I'm gonna draw the nails at this point again. Curve line up from this point, semicircular turn to the base of the shell at the back, some curved line along the legs as well for the back leg. In between the front leg and the hind leg, I'm going to draw a curved line across at this point and turn it back down at the side. A few curved lines inside of the shape. A line down from this point, turn it with a curved line to the back and a line at that corner. For his tail, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line to the back, sharp turn back to the front at a lower point right there, a few triangle shape above the tail, and another one at the back. And I'm going to add some details on the shell with a circular line at this point. Turn it diagonally to the right and up. A line at this point. A diagonal line here. Turn it to the right, sideways and down. A line above that and turn it diagonally down. A line to the back, diagonal turn down and straight back, and a line above that. On the headpiece, I'm going to draw a zigzag line at this point and a line at this point. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.